I've been using Windscribe VPN for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review. We'll go through the key features, benefits, and a few things to watch out for. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Windscribe is the right VPN for you in 2025. So, what is Windscribe VPN? Windscribe is a privacy-focused VPN service that helps protect your online activity, keeps your data secure, and allows you to browse the web anonymously. It also lets you bypass geo-restrictions, meaning you can access content from around the world without limitations. One of its standout features is its strong security. Windscribe uses top-notch encryption and offers features like a built-in ad blocker, malware protection, and firewall to keep your browsing safe at all times. Another great thing is its free plan. Windscribe offers a generous free tier with up to 10 gigabytes of data per month, which is perfect if you're just getting started with VPNs or only need it occasionally. For those looking for more, Windscribe's Pro version unlocks unlimited data, more server locations, and faster speeds, making it suitable for streaming, torrenting, and heavy browsing. However, it's important to point out a few considerations. Some users have reported that connection speeds can vary depending on the server location. And while Windscribe is pretty transparent about privacy, it's always wise to review their policies closely if you're privacy conscious. Another thing to keep in mind is that customer support is mainly through live chat and ticketing. So while helpful, it's not as instant as some competitors offering 24/7 human support. Overall, Windscribe VPN offers a solid balance of privacy, features, and affordability, especially if you're looking for a flexible VPN with both free and premium options. As always, take a moment to compare it with other VPNs to see if it suits your needs. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you found this review helpful. And if you did, make sure to give this video a super thanks by clicking that heart icon to support the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.